Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Kia Forte. First, prepare your vehicle and the environment. Park your Forte on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly and the vehicle is unloaded, except for the driver. Then, measure the exact height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Next, transfer your measurements to the wall. Use tape or a marker to create a horizontal line for each headlight at the height you measured. Then, draw a vertical line through the center of each horizontal mark. For proper aiming, you'll need to create a second horizontal line exactly 2 inches below your initial marks. This lower line will be your target for the headlight beam's cutoff. Now it's time to adjust the beams. Pop your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw until the top edge of the low beam's brightest part aligns with the lower horizontal line you marked. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam on its respective vertical line. After adjusting, step back and visually confirm that both headlight beams are properly aligned with your marks. Take your Kia Forte for a test drive on a dark, level road to ensure optimal visibility and that you're not blinding oncoming drivers. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Your support helps us create more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.